Hello bibliophiles, welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing about the books that I have read in March, April, May and June 2024. Totally, I have read 7 books in these 4 months. Though March 2024 was quite a slow start because of the work commitments, I had a productive journey ahead in April, May, and June 2024. The Concise Law of Human Nature was written by Robert Greene. He also authored a very famous book, that is The 48 Laws of Power. I already have this book in my TBR, but it's quite a detailed one. So I would like to have a brief description of the human nature. So I have opted this Concise Law of Human Nature. Basically, this book is a non-fiction which helps you to understand what is a human nature and how to act and judge the specific situation based on the human's nature. The concept shared in this book is so important for you to lead a happy and a peaceful life, so that you will identify the manipulators, the stressors, and the toxic people in your environment. This book will help you to actually understand a human's intention whenever they are communicating with you. By this way, you will be able to identify the red flags and you can avoid such toxic people disturbing your inner peace. Some of the skills are taught neither in college nor in school. This book contains one among skill where you can understand humans' nature. Definitely, these kind of books has to be included in the curriculum. If it is not included, then why you are waiting for? Go get this book and read it. This book includes the concepts like mastering your emotions, see through people's mask, confront your dark side, and seize the historical moment in your life, and much more. This book gets 5-star from me for the valuable information included. I Want to Die But I Want to Eat Tteokbokki by Bak Si-hee is a Korean literature translated to English by Anton Hur. In this book, the author shares her conversations with her psychiatrist. The author is actually suffering from dithymia, which is a mild and prolonged depression condition. Through her dialogue with her psychiatrist, we can obtain much of the important points that are necessary for our life, like be what you are. People are multidimensional. It's okay sometimes to not to feel good, and everyone is not perfect, and much more. It also emphasizes the value of self-esteem one should possess in themselves. Though this book ended with a cliffhanger by not knowing whether the author is cured or not, but in reality, these kind of conditions doesn't just magically vanish. It takes a lot of time. But we can definitely see that she's trying herself to identify her emotions. This book gets 3 stars and it's worth reading once. There is a sequel to this book titled I Want to Die But I Still Want to Eat Tteokbokki, which includes author's further conversations with her psychiatrist. I have added this book to my TBR. Hope to read it soon in future. The Kafka. I had this book for quite a lot of time, but I was reluctant to read this book because I misjudged that this book will be similar to the genre of how the old classics will be. But I'm glad that I selected this book and I have read it. I love this book so much. I have also done a video on this book in collaboration with another book. I will drop the link in the description. Kindly go through this video. Metamorphosis by Kafka discusses about the life of a person named Grigor Samsa. Grigor is a salesperson who is transformed into a giant insect one day. This book shares his struggles after becoming an insect and not meeting up the necessities of the family because he is the sole breadwinner in the family. The book showcases the love of a mother, the sister, and also the father towards the family. Grigor Samsa too loves his family a lot, but due to some circumstances, there is a situation where her lovable sister calls Grigor as just a mere insect, and she requests her father to kindly get rid of that insect. Grigor Samsa secretly hears the harsh words of her sister and he leaves the room. Eventually, he dies the next day. Whenever I read this book, I used to think that why the family had never supported. I know it was a very long run for taking care of Grigor, and the family also has to find many employment opportunities to earn for a living. But I feel that somewhere the story should have gone further and just say to Grigor that don't worry, we are there for you. This kind of confidence would have given some trigger to Grigor, or at least some the love or the affection or the strength of support which he must have got from his family would have mattered a lot. So this is the comparison which I have done with Metamorphosis of Franz Kafka and Tuka Says from the Wisdoms of Sant Tukaram Maharaj. Kindly look after this video. I'll drop the comment in the description. This book gets 4 stars. You should definitely read this book. I started this, and then this, and then this. Yes, this is the first time I have read a series of a novel. The nail-biting situations and the massive plot twist have made me a fan of Freda McFadden. After my favorite author Sidney Sheldon, I feel Freda McFadden's writing style is awesome. The book 1, The Housemaid, and the book 2, The Housemaid's Secrets, is completely awesome. I think it just took me less than 1 week to complete these 2 books. There was a constant need of like what will happen next. I want to know what is happening to Millie, the family, and many things. I was just completely mesmerized with this book, and I was just reading it, want to know what's happening in this book at the climax. But the book 3, The Housemaid is Watching, is not up to the mark. This book 3 was released just in the month of June 2024, and I thought this is the last of the series, so I should read it. And I was just reading. I think I have to complete at least 80% of the book to get to know what's exactly happening, to reach the plot twist. But I should not say that is a twist. I just came to know it is just very visible what's happening at the end. There is a Easter egg hidden in this book. The author herself says through a character in the plot, her name is Ada, that the third one is good too, but not my favorite. The third in a series usually isn't that great. Actually, these lines are said by Ada when she is reading a book in the plot. I think the author is conveying indirectly about her work through this book. So, book 1, The Housemaid, 4 stars. Book 2, The Housemaid's Secret, is 5 stars. And book 3, The Housemaid is Watching, is 3.5 stars. Definitely I'm going to add Freda McFadden's others books in my TBR. The contents are arranged in alphabetical order right from A to Z. Sant Tukaram Maharaj was a renowned Indian poet and philosopher in 17th century. He shared ethical and moral values to the people and also his spiritual love for God Vittal through his Marathi poems called Abhang. The book shares the Abhangs of Sant Tukaram Maharaj in Marathi and also raw translation of it in English and a brief description of these Abhangs in English language. It is said to be believed that many reputed dignitaries from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ji to Alexander Grant, 18th century Vice Chancellor of University of Mumbai, then Governor of Bombay, Henry Bartle, and Honorable Punjab Rao Deshmukh, first Agriculture Minister of India, were fascinated by Sant Tukaram Maharaj Ji's Abhangs. This book is a perfect mixture of self-help and motivation genre. I have highlighted most of the points in this book. There are a lot of takeaways from this book that will help you to lead a happy, successful and peaceful life. I have rated this book 3.5 stars. The 0.5 stars is detected because of the poor organization and also the editorial mistakes, like there are some spelling errors where the editor and also the author could have invested some time in organizing this book and checking for the minor glitches in this book, but definitely worth reading once. That's all everyone. I hope you all must have liked this video and must have already noted some of the TBR, that is to read books, in your pile. If you like this video, give a like, comment, subscribe and also share this video to other bibliophiles and hit the bell icon for getting the immediate notifications about the contents of this channel. Let other bibliophiles also know about this video, so kindly share the link of this video. Sharing knowledge is not a crime. Thank you.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the